Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hello and welcome to English Chats Daily. My name is Eva.
And I'm George. We are very happy you are here to learn English with us.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a great topic for you. We will talk about family.
That's right. Talking about your family is very important in everyday conversations. We will teach you simple words and sentences.
This is an episode for beginners, so we will speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry if you are new to English. We are here to help you.
Exactly. Just relax, listen, and try to repeat the words with us. Are you ready, Eva?
I'm ready. Let's start with parents. Parents are your mother and your father.
Mother and father. Let's say those words. First, mother.
Mother. You can repeat. Mother.
Good. And now, father. Father.
You can repeat after George. Father. Very good.
So how can we talk about our parents? We can say what they do. For example, Eva, what does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher. It's a simple sentence. Let's say it together. My mother is a teacher.
One more time. My mother is a teacher.
Now you can try. Think about your mother. You can say, my mother is a, and then say her job.
Maybe your mother is a doctor. You can say, my mother is a doctor.
Or maybe she works at home. You can say, my mother is a homemaker.
Great. Now let's talk about father. I can say, my father works as a writer.
Okay, so you can say is a or works as a. Both are good. Let's practice George's sentence. Repeat after me. My father works as a writer.
Let's use an easier example. My father is an engineer.
Okay, let's repeat that. My father is an engineer.
Now it's your turn. What does your father do? You can say, my father is a...
Keep your sentences short. It's good practice. You are doing very well.
Okay, now let's move on to brothers and sisters.
Right. A brother is a boy. A sister is a girl. Let's say the words. Brother.
Repeat, brother. Good.
And now, sister. Repeat after me. Sister.
Excellent. So, Eva, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Oh, yes, I have one brother. It's a very useful sentence.
It is. Let's say it slowly. I have one brother.
You can repeat after us. I have one brother.
What about you, Eva?
I have two sisters.
Two sisters. Okay, let's practice that sentence. I have two sisters.
Listen and repeat. I have two sisters.
Now it's your turn. Do you have a brother? You can say, I have one brother, or maybe I have three brothers.
And for sisters, you can say, I have one sister, or I have four sisters.
What if someone has a brother and a sister?
Good question. You can say, I have one brother and one sister.
Let's repeat that. It's a little longer. I have one brother and one sister.
Try to say it with us. I have one brother and one sister.
But Eva, what if someone has no brothers and no sisters?
Another great question. If you have no brothers or sisters, you can say, I am an only child.
An only child. That means you are the only child in your family. Let's practice that. I am an only child.
Say it slowly. I am an only child.
You can also say, I do not have any brothers or sisters.
That's right. That sentence is a bit longer, but it is very clear. Let's try it. I do not have any brothers or sisters.
You're doing a fantastic job. This is a lot to learn, but you are doing well.
Okay, George, what's next?
Let's talk about family size. Is your family big or small?
This is a good topic.
So, how many people are in your family?
Well, with my mother, my father, my two sisters, and me, that is 5 people.
Eva, you have two sisters. Is your family small or big?
I think I have a big family.
Yes, I agree. So you can say, I have a big family. Let's practice that sentence.
Repeat after me. I have a big family.
One more time. I have a big family.
George, you have one brother. Is your family big or small?
Well, my mother, my father, my brother, and me, that's 4 people. I think I have a small family.
Okay, so the sentence is, I have a small family. Let's all say that.
Repeat, please. I have a small family.
One more time. I have a small family. So now you can think about your family. Is it big or small? You can choose the sentence for you.
That's right. You can say, I have a big family, or I have a small family.
Great job, everyone. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speaking is important.
Exactly. Every time you speak, you get better.
Okay, we have one more topic for today. Simple descriptions of family members.
Right. This means saying a little bit about them. We can use simple words.
For example, we can describe their personality. Let's start with mother. I can say, my mother is kind.
Kind is a beautiful word. It means she is nice and good to people. Let's practice. My mother is kind.
Repeat with us. My mother is kind.
Now for father. I can say, my father is funny. Funny means he makes me laugh.
Oh, that's a great word. Funny. Let's say that sentence. My father is funny.
You can try it too. My father is funny.
What about a brother or sister? We can talk about how they look. For example, my brother is tall.
Tall. Yes, that's a simple word. Let's say it. My brother is tall.
And for a sister, maybe my sister is young.
Young. Good one. Let's repeat that sentence. My sister is young.
Let's try one more. My brother is smart. Smart means he's clever.
Smart. A great word. Let's all say it. My brother is smart.
You see, with just one new word, you can make a new sentence to describe your family.
That's the best way to learn, one step at a time.
Okay, George, our listeners are doing so well. I think they're ready for more. Let's expand the family tree. How about we talk about grandparents? Okay, wow, we learned a lot today. Let's do a quick review of the sentences.
Good idea. Let's say some of the important sentences again. Listen and repeat if you can.
First, about parents. My mother is a teacher.
My father is a doctor.
Now, about brothers and sisters. I have one brother.
I have 2 sisters.
About family size. I have a big family.
I have a small family.
And simple descriptions. My mother is kind.
My brother is tall.
That's wonderful. You have learned so much today. We are very proud of you.
We are. Learning a new language takes time, so be patient with yourself. You're doing great.
That is all the time we have for today on English Chats Daily.
Yes, our challenge for you today is to try and make one sentence about your family. Just one.
You can say it to a friend or just to yourself. Practice is the most important part. Thank you for joining us.
We hope to see you next time. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.